So hi, I'm Pearl and I work for Food Cardiff. Food Cardiff is Cardiff's local food partnership, which means that we try to bring people and projects who want to create a better local food system together. So we want people in Cardiff to be able to access good quality, nutritious food, whether that's what you eat at home, school, in restaurants or takeaways. We think this food should be produced in a way that helps our local economy and doesn't harm the environment. And we also think food is something that can bring communities together and have a real positive impact on our well-being. On a day-to-day basis, this means running projects like Veg Cities, where we have been asking organisations like Cardiff Council and others to make a pledge to serve more tasty veg in their staff canteens, in school meals and so on. There's been quite a lot of challenges with the food system during COVID-19. So things like at the beginning of the pandemic, lots of people struggled to find some usual food items in the supermarkets. People who were self-isolating or shielding often couldn't get online deliveries because the demand was so high. We also saw people losing their jobs and not being able to afford to buy food, which was a big challenge. Though at the same time, we saw things like local producers not being able to keep up with the demand for local fruit and veg. We also saw some things like overall food prices generally stayed the same, but the price of healthy items like fruit and vegetables really increased. And loads of these are still likely to be challenges in the long term. Yeah, despite all of those challenges, we've seen quite a lot of positive things happening too. So things like because restaurants and other places to get food were closed, lots of people have been cooking more, trying new things in the kitchen. People are wasting less food. Lots of people have been searching online for things like love food, hate waste recipes to see how they can use food that would normally go into the bin. We've also seen people trying to support local businesses, lots more people ordering veg boxes or directly from local farmers. And similarly, lots of people want to grow more of their own food. We worked on a project to get 14,000 vegetable plants and seed kits out to people in Cardiff. And most of those people had never grown anything before. So lots of it went to people who did have maybe a small front garden, but there were other things that people could, like herbs that could be grown on windowsills too. And people are helping their neighbours and friends and strangers more as well. So people are working together to help shop for each other and find solutions to these problems. So we think all of this means it's a really good time to start discussing more about what we want from our local food system and how we could do things better. I think young people could have make a real difference in this area and come up with lots of good ideas. A few of the things that I think you might want to think about are things like questions like how can Cardiff or Wales grow more of our own food so that if something like COVID-19 happens again or some other kind of shock to the system, we know we can feed ourselves. So maybe that could be something around having more land used in the city for food growing. Maybe all schools could have a food growing space that we could use to grow food in schools. There's also a question on how can we make sure that all people can afford healthy food that tastes good and helps the environment. Things like that could be maybe all children at school could be able to get a free lunch that only uses local produce. Maybe there's something else that you could think about. And then finally, how could we produce food in a more environmentally friendly way? And maybe we could be paying farmers for doing things that help the environment. Maybe it's something around installing compost bins in all gardens and schools in the city to stop food waste. Again, maybe you've got lots of ideas too.